Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like it if you find this video helpful. Today I'm sitting in a 2014 Ford F-150 XLT and I will show you the fuse locations for a radio and Microsoft Sync. So in case your Bluetooth is not working or your radio is not powering up, or if you have power to the radio but there is no sound coming from the speakers, you should first check all of the fuses that I will show you. The fuse box is located at the right bottom part near the passenger's legs, so it's right here, and now I will show you how to open it up and how to access those fuses. So to access it, you will just need to pull this black cover off. It has just two clips here and here, and here is the fuse box. And actually I'm missing the fuse box cover, so in your truck there will still be a black cover that goes on top of this, but this truck is missing it for some reason. So once you remove those covers, you should get your Ford F-150 owner's manual and go to page 231. That's for the interior fuse panel. So here's a list of all the fuses. If you don't have the owner's manual, you can just stop this video and look at the diagram. So I will zoom it in a bit. Okay, and for the radio there's a couple of fuses we will be looking at. Okay, first we want to look at fuse number 2, sync and display module. So in case your Bluetooth is not working or you can't sync your devices with your Ford, this is the fuse you have to look at. And later I will show you exactly where it is. And by the diagram, it's like right here, so on the top of the fuse box. Next one we want to see is number 9. It's a 10 amp fuse for radio display GPS module and electric finish panel module. So in case you have a different radio than I have here, and the display is not working, the screen is not working, this is the one you want to check out. Next one would be number 19, audio amplifier. So I will circle it down. You want to check this one in case your radio is powering up but there's no sound coming from the speakers. Then number 26, radio frequency module 5 amp fuse. You want to check that one in case you have problems with reception of radio stations and things like that. So that's 26, and the most important one will be 29, 20 amp fuse for the radio. So, but if you're checking those fuses, I would advise you to check all of them, so you have like 5 fuses. Fuse number 2, fuse number 9, fuse number 19, 26 and 29. Okay, so fuse number 2 is the one here on top, the blue one, 15 amp. And fuse number 9 is right here, this one, 10 amp. Fuse number 19 is this yellow one, 20 amp. Fuse number 26, the 5 amp, is right here, the yellow small one. And the most important fuse, if you have no power to the radio, is 20 amp fuse, the yellow one, 20 amp, right here. Yeah, and once you check those fuses, if you're still having problems with the radio and none of them are burned out, then the next step would be there's probably a wiring issue, or so you would have to dig deeper, take out the radio, check the wiring in the back of the radio, check the wiring to the speakers in the doors and things like that. But I will cover that in the next video. Today I'm just showing you the fuse locations and which fuses to check. So once you check the fuses, just put both covers back and that's it.